Dr. Siobhan France here, physical therapist and wellness coach. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this self-massage tool. This is a at-home tool that I did, a little DIY, do it yourself. And it is just 2 tennis balls with this adhesive wrap around it. And I will post a link in the description box if you're watching this on my YouTube channel on how I made this for all under $7. If you're watching this on my Facebook page, I'll post a link in the comments on how you can also make this. I just finished a workout, so I'm back home now, and I'm going to show you what I do post-workout. And this is part of my rehab routine. I'm all about injury prevention. It's one thing to have an injury and then treat it, but for me and what I promote is injury prevention and quality of life. And quality of life is so important. So in order to do that, we have to rehab, and this is something I do to rehab. So stretching is something I promote, but also using this tool or any other self-massage trigger point tool can also work. But I like the tennis balls because it's enough pressure, but it's not too much pressure. It's a good happy medium. So I like to put this here at my Achilles tendon at the end of my calf and just roll this around like this. And I will even turn my leg in, turn my leg out, and excuse me if I make a face or two. Sometimes this can be really tender because those trigger points can really cause us to have some tension and can even elicit some pain when we apply pressure to them. But this is not bad pain, this is a little bit of rehab pain in order to help decrease that tension. So I'm just moving this along just like this. And you can also, again, lift yourself up with your arms. It is a little bit of an arm workout as well. And we just roll back and forth. Another thing you can also do is find a very tender spot. I already know that I have one right here. So I'll place this here. I'll put this right there, and I'll even put my other leg on top to apply some more pressure. And I lift up just a little bit to get that added pressure. And I'll hold here for about a minute or so, and I usually time this, or I just hold it until I feel like it's sufficient enough. If you are a beginner, you can start out with anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds repeatedly, or you can hold even up to 30 seconds. It's really just about how much you're able to tolerate at this point. So roll back and forth or have sustained pressure. I also use this here for my hamstrings. Again, I know where I'm tight mostly, so I tend to go right to those tender spots. And I place my leg right here. I even do a little bit of a rotation here with my body because I know I can really hit that spot if I rotate just a little bit. And if you are having some knee issues and bending it is bothersome, you can also keep it straight here. There's no rhyme or reason as to what the other leg is doing. Roll back and forth like this, or if you don't want to use your hands, then you can just roll your body back and forth like this, or keep the pressure sustained like that. If you have tight quads, these muscles right here, you can either take your hand and roll it like this, or you can be really brave and go onto your stomach, and you can place this right here, and you can roll back and forth. I have a really tender spot right here, so I sometimes tend to hold this just like that, and I hold it for as much as I'm able to even tolerate myself. And if you're new to this, I would definitely recommend doing this for anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds, maybe up to 30 seconds. You may or may not feel sore after doing this for the first time, and that's okay. That's a very common and typical response when we're doing trigger point release. I also use a foam roller, and I'll post a link below on the kind of foam roller that I use. This I like because I can take it on the go. I will keep it with me in the car, and I will place it back here, so it helps me maintain my posture, but also helps to get some of the trigger points out back through here as well. I also use this for my neck if I'm feeling like I have headaches. I will make a special video actually, now that I'm thinking about it, on how to use this for headaches for your neck, just because I'm on the computer a lot, and even at work when I'm working with my patients and I tend to be looking down, that stress right here can really cause headaches right here on either side. So I use this in order to help release the tension back there, and I just lay on it. But I will make a specific video on that as I'm talking about it. So, sorry, I will post a link below for the things that I mentioned. Please comment, like, or share if you guys are finding value from any of my videos with people that you know could benefit from the same kind of content that you're benefiting from. I would love to connect with you, so make sure you are following me on Facebook if you're watching this on my YouTube channel. And if you're on my Facebook, make sure you're following my YouTube channel so you see when I'm posting new videos as well. Comment below. I would love to connect with you all. If you've got any video requests, let me know. And if you are specifically struggling with knee pain right now, I do have a free knee rehab calendar that I will post a link below on how you can do that. Let's not go into the new year with the same pain from the year before, right? So let's get you some results with decreasing the knee pain you have or preventing knee pain from even occurring. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.